How Pakistan's Day of Exploitation propaganda is packed with lies about India. At the time of Indian independence in 1947 and the division of the subcontinent into India and Pakistan, militant tribesmen backed by the Pakistani army attacked the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, committing a series of mass murders. Among other atrocities, 11,000 people were killed by the invaders in Baramulla. To fight back and save the region, the ruler of Kashmir, Maharaja Hari Singh, merged his kingdom with India through an instrument of accession. This allowed the Indian army to airlift troops to Kashmir and stop the invasion. On August 5, 2019, the Indian government removed the last special provisions under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution, granted to Kashmir at the time of accession, ensuring its full administrative unity with India. Since then, Pakistan has been on a relentless malicious propaganda drive against India, and its latest attempt is the so-called Day of Exploitation, also known by its Arabic name Istahsal.
मकबूजा कश्मीर में भारतीय फौजी मुहासरे का 1 साल मुकम्मल। पाकिस्तान समेत दुनिया भर में यौम इस्तेहसाल मनाया जा रहा है। मुल्क भर में तकारीब और रैलियां निकाली जा रही हैं।
A range of false claims are made on social media to promote this day of exploitation by various Twitter handles and others. One claim, for instance, is that the Indian government has given domicile in Kashmir to 60 lakhs or 6 million new people. This is complete false. After the removal of Article 370, only 41,684 new people, who are mostly refugees, have been given domicile in Kashmir. Anyone who has been living in Kashmir for more than 15 years can apply for domicile certificate without any bar of religion, caste, creed, or gender. The Day of Exploitation propaganda consistently promotes that the Indian government led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to make Muslims a minority in Kashmir. This is completely untrue. There has been no demographic alteration in the region even 3 years after the removal of Article 370. There are also claims that killings in Kashmir in security operations have risen after the removal of Article 370, but this claim too is fake news. Data shows that no civilians or security forces were killed in Kashmir after the removal of Article 370, and the number of deaths has steadily decreased after this historic move. There are also claims that no Indian flag is flown in Kashmir, even though last year, the father of slain dreaded terrorist, Burhan Wani, put up the national tricolor in Pulwama last year, and this year, a 108 feet tall national flag has been installed in the Baramulla region of Kashmir Valley. So who are the accounts who are promoting the lies of Day of Exploitation, with hashtags like #5 August Istahsal, #Kashmiris Lives Matter, and #5th August Black Day? Most of these accounts are from Pakistan, followed by accounts from Kashmir, the United Kingdom and Thailand. More than 3,000 posts were done from accounts like these on August 5, 2022, for which 500 new accounts were created in July 2022. The so-called Day of Exploitation propaganda is part of a long series of such false narrative-based social media campaigns run by Pakistan-based Twitter handles and other such social media accounts to create a hate India narrative around the world. Important days on the Jammu and Kashmir calendar, like August 5th, February 5th, which is promoted as Kashmir Solidarity Day in Pakistan, and Indian Independence Day, August 15th. In the past, fake videos and news are constantly circulated during these days, using hashtags such as #RaiseVios for Kashmir, #Kashmir Rejects India, and #IndiaTerrorist. Fake videos about atrocities and killings by Indian security forces are circulated hundreds of times by such handles. Using photos and videos from other locations, such social media accounts claim to show atrocities and brutalities in Kashmir. These are consistently discovered to be fake news. Such campaigns are run in a coordinated manner around the world, multiple times in a year. So, it is clear that a motivated false global campaign is being run against India on this issue, which is fueled by Pakistan.